This is Pete. He's founded 2 unicorns and says, "Don't believe your own BS." It's an incredibly influential blog post. Founders need reality distortion fields because it's unrealistic to compete with the world. Pete Flint competed with Zillow. It's a Star Trek reference about having an overly optimistic, distorted view. Don't be fooled, Captain Pike. She's unrealistically beautiful. Great philosophers have a technical term for this: bullshit. And it's a double-edged sword. You need an optimistic BS vision to win, but because winning is rare in business, success can start to make you believe your own BS. Any great warrior will tell you winning is dangerous. If anything, I think losing makes me even more motivated, says Serena Williams. Pete nearly tanked Trulia after launching a bunch of new products with too much control and overconfidence. He became a founder dictator. Instead of empowering his team to help, he thought only he had the magic touch.
And then, all of a sudden, things kind of collapsed. The velocity of growth stalled. People were frustrated. People were thinking about quitting. Just the whole thing kind of like stopped. And kind of without realizing it, all the success that we'd had over the previous couple of years had led this complacency. We became bloated. We became slow. We became frustrated. As Andy Grove said, success breeds complacency. We kind of believed our own bullshit.
Here's how you avoid this BS trap. Knowledge and speed win, and the only way to get that is to give people autonomy. As you scale, limit your control to 2 conditions. 1, only when the decision needed is strategic, not tactical, and 2, only when the decision is mission critical. Build a clear, consistent process to support empowered teamwork. Trulia used the concept of gravitational slingshots. Use limited resources to build speed and escape startup destruction, just like Apollo 13.
How do we get our people home? They are here. Turn them around, straight back, yes. Direct abort.
No, sir. We get them on a free return trajectory. It's the option with the fewest question marks for safety.
I agree with Jerry. Use the moon's gravity, slingshot them around.
In a startup, the orbital force of the slingshot is autonomy. You remove the friction of a founder dictator. So instead of saying exactly what to build, you say, tell me what you need to do and what resources you need to 10x this output. Give them the power to create small dream teams. This is very much lean startup thinking and really most of what we learn here. This is a great blog. There's more in it. Read it, reread it, and don't believe your own BS. Thanks, Pete Flint. You got this.